Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best lip scrubber is probably one of the most underrated beauty tools out there, but trust me, once you start using one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Today, we're diving deep into the world of lip scrubbers, exploring what makes them so effective and why they deserve a spot in your skincare routine. We'll be looking at different types, materials, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Organic Lip Scrub Mint, USA made. This lip scrub is made in the USA with high-quality, natural ingredients. It's a nourishing and safe solution for your lips, free from harsh chemicals, and gentle enough for daily use. The scrub gently exfoliates away dead skin cells while repairing dry, chapped lips. After each use, it leaves them feeling smooth and renewed. Infused with nourishing oils, this lip exfoliant hydrates while it exfoliates. It helps to lock in moisture, keeping your lips soft and supple all day long. With a gentle exfoliating texture, it polishes lips without being harsh or abrasive. This makes it perfect for sensitive lips that need regular care. This organic lip scrub makes an ideal gift for anyone. Beautifully packaged and suitable for all, it's a thoughtful and practical gift idea. As a small business, we prioritize customer happiness. Every purchase supports our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. What we like. This lip scrub is proudly made in the USA, ensuring high quality. It gently exfoliates and repairs dry, chapped lips, leaving them smooth. If you are looking for a gentle, yet effective solution for your lips, this is the one for you. What people say. The lip scrubber is a great product for exfoliating lips. It leaves my lips feeling smooth and soft. The design is very easy to use. Number 4. Organic Vanilla Lip Scrub, USA made. This lip scrub is made in the USA with high-quality, natural ingredients. It's a nourishing and safe solution for your lips, free from harsh chemicals, and gentle enough for daily use. The scrub gently exfoliates away dead skin cells while repairing dry, chapped lips. After each use, it leaves them feeling smooth and renewed. Infused with nourishing oils, this lip exfoliant hydrates while it exfoliates. It helps to lock in moisture, keeping your lips soft and supple all day long. With a gentle exfoliating texture, this scrub polishes lips without being harsh or abrasive. It's perfect for sensitive lips that need regular care. This organic lip scrub makes an ideal gift for anyone. Beautifully packaged and suitable for all, it's a thoughtful and practical gift. As a small business, we prioritize customer happiness. Every purchase supports our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. What we like. Like the first one, this lip scrub is also made in the USA, with natural ingredients. It exfoliates and repairs dry, chapped lips, leaving them smooth. If you are looking for a great gift for someone special, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The lip scrubber is a great addition to my lip care routine. It gently exfoliates my lips, leaving them feeling smooth and soft. The design is easy to hold and use. Number 3. Lip Scrub Brush, Double-Sided Silicone Lip Brush. This lip scrub brush features a unique 2-in-1 design. The smaller side is for scrubbing, and the larger side is for massaging your lips. It's a convenient tool for your lip care routine. Using this lip exfoliator is simple and effective. It gently removes dry skin from chapped lips. Afterward, just rinse it with water, and it's clean and ready for the next use. This silicone lip scrub is suitable for all skin types. It helps to create a smoother and fuller appearance for your lips. You'll love how soft and smooth they feel. This soft lip brush is a better alternative to a towel. It effectively removes dead skin. Use it with lip oil or balms to stimulate blood circulation through gentle massaging. The silicone material is non-irritating and won't hurt your lips. This brush is a great applicator tool for achieving a plump, smooth, and full lip appearance. Try it today. What we like. This product features a 2-in-1 design, with a lip scrub and a massage side. It is gentle and effective for all skin types. If you like a simple and effective tool for lip care, you should consider this. What people say. The lip scrubber is a game changer for lip care. It gently exfoliates, leaving my lips feeling incredibly smooth and soft. The design is sleek and easy to hold, making it comfortable to use. It effectively removes dead skin cells, and my lip products apply much better now. Number 2. Brooklyn Botany Coconut Lip Scrub. Tired of dry, chapped lips? This lip scrub is designed to gently exfoliate and moisturize. It helps remove dry flakes, leaving your lips feeling smoother and looking brighter. If you're dealing with dry or cracked lips, this lip sugar scrub is the perfect solution. It's formulated to gently exfoliate and refresh your lips, providing much-needed care. This scrub is packed with nourishing ingredients like coconut oil, sunflower oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter. These natural ingredients are known for their moisturizing and restorative properties. This lip scrub is the best lip care for dry, chapped, and cracked lips. Use it to brighten and smooth your lips, giving them a healthy and refreshed look. Enjoy the refreshing sensation of the fresh coconut scent. This lip exfoliator is paraben-free, preservative-free, and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. What we like? This lip scrub is designed for lip exfoliation and moisturizing. It is perfect for dry and cracked lips. If you have dry and chapped lips, this is the one you should try. What people say. It is easy to use and it works great. My lips feel so soft and smooth after using this product. The scrubber is gentle and effective at removing dead skin. Number 1. ANRCOLLECT Lip Scrub and Mask, Overnight Lip Care Kit. This kit is designed to give your lips the ultimate treatment, day and night. It includes everything you need to exfoliate, hydrate, and nourish your lips for a soft, smooth, and plump look. The lip scrub exfoliates, removing dry and flaky skin. Then, the lip mask works overnight to lock in moisture. You'll wake up with lips that feel amazing. This kit uses sugar and antioxidant oils to gently exfoliate and revitalize your lips. The lip mask is packed with collagen, shea butter, and fruit extracts to deeply hydrate and reduce fine lines. Shea and jojoba oils moisturize and soften dry, chapped lips. Ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and collagen provide intense hydration to reduce lip wrinkles. It protects your lips from environmental damage. This vegan lip scrub and overnight lip mask revitalizes and beautifies your lips with clean ingredients. It's formulated without harsh chemicals. Use it before bed and wake up with smooth, supple lips. This lip care kit is a perfect gift for anyone who wants to achieve healthy, beautiful lips. It's a thoughtful present for your loved ones, girls, women, mom, girlfriend, sister, or daughter. What we like? This lip care kit includes both a scrub and a mask for overnight treatment. It exfoliates and hydrates, leaving your lips soft. If you want a complete lip care routine, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The lip scrubber is a game changer for lip care. It gently exfoliates, leaving my lips feeling incredibly smooth and soft. The design is ergonomic and easy to hold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.